I'm back. Right now I want to deal with the idea that is being thrown out there as fact that our solar system is a part of a binary star system. That's possible. Seriously. Possible. But not like this. See this? They're all saying, oh, this planet Nibiru or planet X or a red dwarf star with its own, or a brown dwarf star with its own planetary system is coming into this. It's not happening. This isn't what we're experiencing here on Earth. If we had a twin star that had an enormously long elliptical orbit passing, let's see, can I open link, save target as, print, save picture as, okay. Save picture as. See if I can do this. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I know it's nonsense. Twin star. See if I can find it real quick. Jeez, it amazes me. Twin star. Oh, it should be right there. There it is. Unless it can just go. Just for the case of argument. Let's count the number of orbits. We have 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3. Here's Earth's orbit. Here's where this star comes in. Now, there is no way that a star is going to come within that close to Earth, even its orbit, even if we were on the other side of the sun, and not, the Earth wouldn't exist. This thing would tear Earth apart. It'd tear every planet apart. Even Jupiter wouldn't exist. Now, I know this isn't a scale, yada yada, but there's no way. We don't have a twin star coming in. We don't have a twin brown dwarf coming in. Why? Because a twin brown dwarf is like about 5 or 10 times bigger than Jupiter. Oh, God forgive me for saying the name of a false god. Why do we name our planets? All except Earth. We named Earth dirt. What? No, its name is Earth. What do you think the name Earth means? Dirt. We live on a dirt ball. Actually, it's not. It's pretty wet. It's a muddy ball. Muddy ball. It's so infused with water. It's amazing. But anyway, there's no way it could come in our orbit, even if Earth would have lasted till today. The orbit of Earth would be so screwed up that life couldn't exist on the planet. It'd be either the ellipse. Earth's orbit is almost a perfect circle. So do yourselves a favor. Don't get sucked into the notion that we've got a twin star coming in, because there's no way that the solar system would exist as we see it if there was a twin star coming in. Even if it came in within like Jupiter's orbit, you know, it still bung up the solar system so bad, and it probably would change our orbit. It would be more elongated, you know, and life couldn't exist on Earth as we know it, because there would be periods of too much heat and periods of too much cold. So, no. Is there another star out there, brown dwarf, that it's so hard to see these things that we can't, and it's so much sky to look at, we haven't? Yeah, I don't know if they've surveyed even the Oort cloud. I'm not even sure that that a star could, that another planet could orbit beyond the Oort cloud. Seems to me like it just wouldn't physically work out. I mean, there's physics involved there, astrophysics. You know, the Oort cloud is an amazing thing, considering it puts the diameter of our solar system all the way out to, I think, Pioneer just finally made it to the very edge of our solar system, and that is where they consider the range, or the distance of the solar wind that really protects our solar system from galactic and intergalactic radiation. It reaches up to at least a half a light year. At least. Now, the other day I said our solar system is about a light year in diameter. Well, yeah. A light year in diameter. That's some number I heard. Now, I don't have any other corroboration other than that. I heard that once, but that's a long ways. I'm not sure that there could be even a star. You know, I've never heard of anybody, but I'm thinking that it may be physically impossible for even a brown dwarf to be out that far. It'd probably want to tend to fall into the inner solar system, but it wouldn't do it at as an ellipse. I've heard some other people say, well, every 3,000 years this thing comes in and then all kinds of bad stuff happens. What? Again, I have to remind you people, our solar system wouldn't look anything like this. I know scientists are just, they probably haphazardly dismiss this idea, or just, I think they would have a hard time not laughing while they're dismissing the idea. I don't think I could do it. I'd probably laugh. Chuckle. It would be like Bugs Bunny. What a bunch of maroons. So no, we're not a part of a binary system like this. So can't be. It's physically impossible. Life on Earth could not exist if it was.
Well, God can make anything possible. The Earth has only been here for 6,000 years. He did everything in 6 days, and a day is 1,000 years to God.
You do understand that a year is a human contrivance, right?
Well, they knew what a year was a long time ago.
You poor deceived souls. That's all I gotta say. Enough said. Click.